guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Latanya Irving. Welcome to Irving Living. If you're new here, welcome. Today's video is going to be super duper fun. I had so much fun filming the last video, but in this video I will be showing you some affordable Dollar Tree and Joann's Fabrics backdrop ideas for photography, or if you're wanting to start your YouTube channel on a budget. These backdrops are super affordable, 69 cents, I think. Yeah, 69 cents and $1.99. If you like to see these backdrop ideas, then keep on watching. See you in the video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification. See you. Okay, so let's go ahead and get with the backdrop haul. Okay, so in my last video, which I will link at the end of the video if you did not see it, there were two of my faves in there, and I just wanted to show them again with this one because these two were very pretty, and they were only 69 cents. Here's the yellow cardboard right here. It was purchased at the Dollar General for only 69 cents. And I am going to go ahead and just stick it behind me like this. And if you just zoom in, you only need one if you have like a pretty good camera that zooms very well. You just need one cardboard, and you just stick it up on the wall. I usually just take some glue, what do you call them, like command strip, sticky, two double-sided tape. Stick it up there, or you can do it with thumbtacks or whatever if you don't mind, like little holes in the walls. Okay, the next cardboard, this was also from the Dollar General for 69 cents, and this is like a fuchsia pink. Look at how pretty. And I'm going to pop this one behind me again just to remind you the last time. And I am going to zoom up. Well, not zoom up, but look at how pretty. Boom. For 69 cents, you get all this. You don't need to go out and spend a ton of money on backdrops unless you want those really pretty, silverish, shimmery kind of stuff. But if you're on a budget, you can have some good quality videos with these little cardboards. Now, what I love, these next came from Joann's Fabric. This was $1.99. Looks like like a little galaxy or whatever planet. I'm gonna flip it over because it seems like there's more stars this way, and I'm just gonna pop that behind me real quick. And you know, now you have like a nice little galaxy. Boom! You're a Martian. All right, moving on. Okay, moving on. Joann's Fabrics, $1.99. Now, what I like about some of their backdrops, you can get two options. This is like a red stripe, like a pinky red stripe, and they have a solid background. So for $1.99, you're getting two backdrops. You can have the red stripe. Okay, which is super cute, and then you can just flip it over on the wall and you can have a simple solid. Boom. It. Now this one right here was my favorite. I don't know what type of video I'm gonna film with this, but I just love clouds. Ever since I was a little girl, I've been fascinated with clouds. This one, $1.99. It's the sky. And look at there. I think maybe I'll do like an angel theme look or something. And this has a solid white background, so you can get two options from this one poster board by flipping it over, hanging it up on the wall. Now this one is a little, I don't know what to think about it. I've tried it. It's a white polka dot, $1.99, Joann's Fabrics, and it has the white background again, 2-in-1. depending on what you select, and put that behind me, and it gives you that white polka dot background. Flip it over and you have a clean white background to work with. Boom. Moving on. Lot to get through. Okay, next I have this money green polka dot. Green is something that I really don't use a whole lot, but I thought this was cute, and St. Patrick's Day is coming up, so this is another one for $1.99 at Joann's, and it has a solid green background to give you two options. So this is the polka dot, which is super cute. And then we just flip that over, and for $1.99 you're getting two background options. You can't beat that. Super affordable. Don't need to spend a lot of money. Boom, green. Okay, now these next options, these came from the Christmas aisle markdown. They were like some kind of wrapping paper, but they're a little different, like, I mean, a little more heavier or thicker, so I'm not sure. I didn't really read up on it, but I thought this blue, they came up to like $1 and some change. I'm not sure, but it's just some wrapping paper. What I did was just cut the width of the cardboard with some simple scissors, and you get quite a bit on the roll. And this is how much I cut off, and I'm just going to pop this up behind me. This would look much better on the wall, but to give you an idea, I might need to put this one on the wall. This is an epic fail, almost, huh? Not really. Boom! That is super pretty. I love blue. This blue is really pretty, really popping. Love it. Okay, so this is the lamp that I film with. Simply looks like this, and I am gonna show you because there's so many different backdrops that I have. I'm gonna just flick the lamp. So I just want to show you two different options with the backdrops. I want to show you how it looks with just the plain backdrop behind you with no light, and then with the light behind you. What the light does, it gives you like a separation between the backdrop and yourself, and it gives it like a nice illumination, especially if you're filming at night. Right now it is daytime, so I am filming in the daylight. So let's go ahead and jump on into the background.